and this nobody knows so far. This is the Pune Mirror scoop that we have just come to know about the flyover. So this is like breaking news. It's a scoop. We were just told by the contractors on the site that once this underpass is complete, from the Don Bosco side, a flyover will be created which will oversee this, go over the underpass and connect on to the main road there. So the traffic which are Don Bosco road will and the golf course will not have to encounter any kind of signals. They will pass over the underpass and there will be a smooth flow of traffic. So all the traffic which comes in from this side, this traffic you can see, they will not encounter any signal. All these traffic will go from below and the underpass will send the Don Bosco traffic over there. This is a very, very good move, and this nobody knows so far. This is the Pune Mirror scoop that we have just come to know about the flyover. At the Shastri Nagar intersection on the Nagar Road, there is a huge excavation work which is being carried out, and this has been done because an underpass is being made to ease the traffic flow. This work started about 1.5 years ago, and it will take probably another 1.5 years. That is what the contractors at the site told us. This is a 2-kilometer stretch, and the reason that it's going to take 1.5 years more, it could have been done quicker, is the fact that not only excavation work, road widening work also comes into play, which needs permission. So this is a 3-phase road on this 2-kilometer stretch, and the 3 phases, I think only 1 phase is now complete. 2 more phases are still to go. So permissions are needed for all 3 phases on this 2-kilometer stretch. 1.5 years complete, 1.5 years to go. Now basically this stretch of road that you see, this comes in from Ahilya Nagar and is headed towards Pune camp and Pune station and other places. So the traffic which comes in towards Shastri Nagar Chowk, towards Golf Course, heading towards Khadki, Vishrantwadi and Alandi is diverted 300 meters ahead via Karne Path. An alternate route has been arranged accordingly. So you can see the signboard. There are various signboards. This one reads for Golf Chowk right ahead 300 meter, and the other one says for Golf Club Chowk 300 meters right turn ahead. So there is a right turn 300 meters ahead where the traffic takes a right turn towards the Golf Chowk, and Vishrantwadi, Alandi, Golf Course. Now the thing is that at this chowk earlier, traffic which was coming in from Ahilya Nagar and Kalyani Nagar used to turn at this spot and go straight down that road. But now because that has been blocked, it has been barricaded, that is right now not possible. So they have to go all the way down 300 meters and then take a right turn. So what is happening is there is huge traffic, there are huge traffic jams and congestion which are taking place along this stretch which comes in from Kharadi, Wagholi and other places. So you can see the amount of excavation work which is being done. I think this is one of the biggest underpasses which is being done in the city. Normally underpasses are not 2 kilometers long. They are short underpasses like the ones you have in. So digging work is being done. You can see about 6 earth moving machines, Auckland machines, which are doing the excavation work. A lot of factors are involved. Pipelines have to be laid. There are electric cables which have to be done. But what will happen is once this excavation work is complete and the underpass becomes ready, then it will surely ease the traffic on this road. You will be able to see a lot of traffic congestion which takes place, especially on all the vehicles which are coming in from Karachi, Wagholi and Ahilya Nagar. But it's a matter of waiting. In about 1.5 years time this will be complete and there will be a very smooth flow of traffic. That was the intention of making this underpass. Because over here, traffic comes in from Kalyani Nagar, it comes in from Pune station side and it comes in from Kharadi, Wagholi and other places. So we are hoping now that this bridge does get complete and doesn't get delayed like most of the PMC work gets delayed from time to time. This is Prince Chaudhary signing off.